Hi guys, sorry I'm out again today. I am out interviewing cute little Mesa Verde kids for Avid. We're going to start today with a quick calendar review because today starts the first day of finals week. So let's take a look at our classroom Google Calendar. Okay, awesome. So here's this week. Today is Monday the 25th. Today is all about a work day. Tomorrow your annotated bib is due, so let's focus our energy on getting all your annotations done today. You guys have been doing a great job so far. Your outline is due on Wednesday, and your video is due on Thursday. Oh, you know what? I need to move that actually. Your video is not due till Friday because I do not see you on Thursday. Thursday you'll have periods 1 and 2 for finals, and Friday you'll have periods 3 and 4. So your annotated bib is due tomorrow. It lives on Noodle Bib, so you do not need to print it out. Don't worry. Oh, I'm sorry, an annotated works cited list. I need to change that. Don't tell Ms. Tombach. Your outline will live in your controversial issue folder where it is already. And we're going to go over that in a second. And your PSA, which is that 1 minute or less video, you guys will submit via a Google form, and I'll talk about that more tomorrow. To our agenda today. Goals for today: find and annotate 6 or more sources. I've left some comments on your annotations already, so please take a look. There are a lot of really good annotations in the room, so please find somebody to help you if you're not quite sure what my comment was referring to. So find and annotate 6 or more sources. By the end of today, it shouldn't be a problem. When you're done annotating, select evidence from 4 sources. So that would be a total of 4 CDs. You should have 2 already, so please look at least 2 more. If not, if you have time, look at more. Put those CDs either on note cards or document, however, whatever you've been using up to this point. And then here's the important part: draft 2 support theses on your actual outline in your folder. I'm not going to check the CDs and outlines until 4th period tomorrow, so you do have time to finish that for homework if you choose. These are drafts of your support theses, but of course put your best effort forward. So let's take a look at where all these documents are. I'm almost done talking on this one. Let's just do a quick review of where all this lives. You're going to find and annotate those 6 sources and put them on NoodleBib. Again, you do not need to print out your annotated works cited list. Let your annotations live on Noodle Tools. Sorry, I said NoodleBib. Let it live on Noodle Tools. Your evidence, note cards or your document, and 2 support theses on your outline. The outline is due on Wednesday, so now is a good time to start getting going on that. So your outline lives in your controversial issue folder. So for example, it'll be period 3 controversial issue, and here's Prisha's. Prisha, thank you for letting me use yours again. You have a document there that is owned by you and your argument partner. So just the pro team or the con team. If you open that up, the document has the requirements for the outline on there as well as the template. You literally just need to fill in the template. So today, argument 1, you're going to fill in your support thesis. It is just a draft. Argument 2, support theses. These need to be 2 distinct reasons why your side is correct. So make sure that your reasons are distinct, meaning completely different from each other and not a repeat of the same evidence. Once you have those support theses, if you have time today, please transfer your best CDs into your outline that match your reasoning. Also keep an eye on what pathos or logos appeals you're using. Are you using all statistics? Then you're missing a pathos appeal. Do you have a story about why your side is true? Okay, now you've got a pathos appeal. So look at your sources and look at your evidence as you create your reasoning and draft these support theses. The support theses are what I'll be checking. So if you don't want to move your CDs over from your note cards onto your outline yet, that's okay. If you have the time, however, I would choose your best possible CDs and go ahead and put them on your outline after you're able to draft your support theses. Okay, so last review. Find and annotate those 6 sources. Let them live on Noodle Tools. Pull CDs that work for your reasoning. Give me the best you've got. And then start drafting those 2 support theses on your outline. Have a great day, guys.